To access Fortis from within Platinum, all you have to do is click the Fortis button located right here next to the last visit. You can go ahead and click that button. You will see the next screen pop up. You have a couple actions you can perform in here. You can launch Fortis. If you click the Launch Fortis button, it's going to take you from the patient's profile within Platinum to their profile within Fortis. Now, in the rest of the demo, we're going to show you how this Fortis system works from within here, but this just opens up the Fortis system. So you can see how quickly and easily you can go from within Platinum to within Fortis. Now, if I go back to the Platinum screen, you'll see this Payments button down here. One of the things we can do here is from here we can dictate if we want it to be a regular payment or if we want it to be a care plan payment. So if you go in here and just enter a payment amount, so maybe $125, then you can either click regular or care plan. When you click this, it's going to default it over in the system. So let's just say we click the care plan button. What it's going to do is it's going to open up Fortis, and it's going to take you right to this patient's profile. We're going to have the amount already pre-populated for you here. So you can see $125 is pre-populated. Since we already have a stored card for this patient, all we have to do is select from one of their stored cards. Now, the reason it has payment plan tag down here is that's what dictates that this payment posts back to Platinum as a care plan payment. Now, you can do this from anywhere within the system. So if you just click the Launch Fortis button and run a payment and then tag payment plan, it will also post back as a payment plan payment. But this just kind of does it for you. So it makes it a little bit easier and helps the staff not forget to do this. So it's just automatically doing that for you. The other thing that you can do here is if you didn't have a card on file for this patient, it would take you to the Charge New Card screen. All you have to do is swipe the new card. It will populate the cardholder name, number, and expiration date. Again, the amount will already be pre-populated, and so will the payment plan tag. And then all you have to do is run this card. Now, if you want to run the card and save it at the same time, you can click the Store Card button. So it's really, really easy to run a transaction and store the card at the same time. Then, anytime you exit out of the Fortis system, you can download transactions. Now, if you click the Download Transactions button, it will download all transactions for all patients for all time periods. Now, we do duplicate checking, so you don't have to worry about payments duplicating, but what it will do is it'll check the last time you downloaded transactions up to right now, and it will download anything that you've missed and automatically apply it within the Platinum system.